Hi y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Renee Rowena. It is Wednesday and we are going on a road trip. Say hi to Richard.
Hi guys, what are you doing?
I don't know why he's acting shy. He's not shy. It's a gloomy day, but we're all home today and we thought why not just, you know, take the family out for a road trip. So that's what we're doing right now. Zayn is in the back sleeping. He was crying just a little bit because I normally sit around there with him and you know, he normally gets my company, but I said I'm gonna sit in the front today because I want to vlog and whatnot.
Leave it at home and he still brought it in. Said he got my back and they don't want to see me win.
Yeah, somebody crashing into Toronto. Feel me, dog? Like all of this, every day somebody crashing into Toronto.
I don't know what's going on with this weather in Toronto, well in Canada, because we're in May now, right? We're in May, you guys, and this weather, like 2 days ago I saw snow outside, like slushy snow. We're in May. Today's 1st of May.
Send the pin, drop it in GPS. Seeing flashes, no, that's my neck.
Guys, I think the sun is finally gonna pop out. I don't know. They said it's gonna rain, but it's kind of getting a little bit brighter. I don't know.
More brighter.
It's a very gloomy day, overcast. Not the best day to go on a road trip, but whatever. I like when it's nice and sunny, not too hot. You know, like when it's sunny and windy at the same time, so you're not really feeling the heat from the sun because it's windy also. I like that kind of weather. But like this day, it's overcast and it's just like dark and gloomy. I don't like it like this. So Richard is tired, y'all. Worked yesterday and now he's driving all day today, because guess who's not driving? Moi. Hey y'all, so we're still on the road. We have another 45 minutes to go, so still a little bit more journey, but it's going good so far. Mr. Zayn is all quiet back there, so I guess he's still sleeping, which is a good thing because otherwise he will be crying in our ears. So yeah.
It's a lot on me.
Alright, Zayn, mommy coming. Mommy coming. Mago this one. Armacan this one.
She like it, like I'm swiping. Swipe, I spotted it. She like it, like it. I had to come right back like double back.
Hi, Zanny.
So yeah, we at the Niagara Falls just now.
Hey, my baby. Smile for mama. Smile for mommy. Yeah. Who does Zayn look like, Richard or Renee?
Hi, Mama.
He looks like his dad. Everybody's like, oh, he looks like his dad. And I'm like, okay then.
Still driving, Baba.
You look like your dada. Zany. They are twin, y'all. Like, look at them together. Zayn looks nothing like me.
Parents have money, me not lean on them. Also for me, one every dog get your bone. Yeah, we stand alone, better so get the tune. Dollar sign.
Okay, y'all, we made it. We just parked. Richard is hella tired. I helped him out with a little of the driving, but not much. So, what do you mean I wish? Zayn is crying now. It's time to get out. He's been, yeah, I fixed it. He's been sitting back there for some time now, so he's tired. This way, right? This way up?
Yeah,
or the part where you're,
That's they could see it.
yeah, that's how I left it. But yeah, you guys, so we're about to head out and I'm gonna do some footage for you all, so stay tuned. Yeah, see y'all, it finally cleared up. It was so dark when we were leaving, but look at the sun, y'all. The sun is out. How was your trip? You were crying back here. Are you okay? Say hi. Huh? What was that, babe? Yeah, give me the bottle. Hold on, let me pull him out. Let me take him out. Thanks. Are you hungry, Papa? You hungry? I'm gonna take you out first, actually. Doing some mommy duties, y'all. Hey, Zany. So yeah, y'all, we made it to Niagara. And the day turned out to be so beautiful. It's nice and cool, just like how I like it. And the sun is out, as I was mentioning before. This is like the perfect weather. Hi, Zany. Hi, Mr. Zany. Look at mommy. Look at mama. He's not paying me any attention. Hey, Baba. Hey. Baby daddy on a stroll. Hey. This is clearly a gift shop, y'all. Oh yeah, see, watch.
Can I see how much it is there? Like, there's what? 50 chairs, I think, for 2 tables.
Look at my view, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I'm loving this view right now. This is so amazing. So incredible. Construction right by the falls, y'all.
We out here, man. On the falls, just chilling. Me and my son, just having a farm in the moment. Don't know.
a man don't call me no bread after.
Don't you nice, them now, like just look clean.
I think all of Canada is clean now. Yeah.
Don't get me wrong.
On a break, sunny day, make it turn bad weather. On time, we out here. We out here. A one side. We out here. You feel no one no fuck man, brother. I be a gunman there. No construction, brother. I be a gunman there. One time, man steady with him a tick.
Go kart, Niagara Speedway.